surprised the base was keeping that Ducati just because of the way it sounds.
Yeah. I knew y'all were coming because of it. I could hear it over everything else.
That is so weird knowing that this bike has more pull than some other bike here.
Well, the weight ratio factored in. I bet it does. Yeah, high maintenance is pulling on me, and I'm peeing.
But one good thing about the sprocket change on this, I can use 6th gear now.
Oh, I had high maintenance pretty much pinned there, so it's not off by much there.
I knew you did because you was pulling on me and I was peeing. I was like, well, I guarantee you he's peeing too, but the point is he's pulling just a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I think Plus just had a second thought about turning around up there.
There's consequences if you lose your balance there.
Yeah, if he loses it to the left, there really is.
It's too cold to go down in the creek. I think it's a little too cold for me to go down in there.
It's loose, too.
Because I will get wet, one way or another.
Yeah. Yeah. Between the blind turns and the crummy pavement, I was watching the pavement and looked down. I was studying the pavement, and then all of a sudden it caught my attention because I saw you swerve. Water crossing.
It's a little deeper than I thought it'd be.
Yep. I had to take it easy because these boots are not waterproof.
Yeah, same here.
And another one.
I got a really good shot of Clint. I was riding beside him in the watercross. Me and Natalie's been thinking about finding an old used blinker, some old Honda or something, just a junk blinker, buying gold spray paint, building a trophy, and sending it to Josh for Christmas.
Yeah, lifetime achievement award.
You need to find a DR blink. No, what make it even funnier is if you could rig it up to where it could be on and blinking all the time.
I like it long uphill back here.
On Surefield, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I like going that direction instead of the opposite way.
Ronnie just decided to pass off. It's kind of funny. He's usually so laid back.
Yeah.
When signal's on, let's see. Mile and a half for the record.
You drafted me back there.
Yep. I think there's one good set of curves coming. We'll get up there and try to get the bulk of the group in these sweepers. I like all my other bikes, but it just doesn't make my like for this one go away. Every time I ride it, I still like it.
So that was the way I was about the CB.
It's not the power of it, it's the comfort of it. The comfort and ergonomics, it lays over in a curve nice.
Yep. Like an old pair of gloves.
Yeah.
Just something about it just fits right. Looking in my mirrors, where'd you go, Steven?
I had to downshift. your two teeth on your sprocket's showing up.
I kept looking back and forth thinking, where the hell did he go?
Do you have enough memory of what it was like before to notice the two teeth going up that hill?
Oh, yeah. I didn't have to downshift. I ran it in 6th gear and could still accelerate.
You didn't make it the 1.5 miles. Wind still in the lead. Dang it. I'm glad we got video when we did. Well, that just sucks.
Let's go. Oh, there's a new gate there. Huh?
I may have chose one.
Hey, is somebody videoing this?
I am. Let it be known the usual suspects passed the Mexican ice cream shop without stopping.
Don't you know, he's probably over there going, hey, look, there's my guys. And now he's going,
Yeah.
Well, it's not 3 o'clock yet. We're not due.
Yeah. He'll know that we're out and about, though.
yeah, you'll have something to look forward to. Probably counting by. I bet it does make his day when you bring a group of people in.
Well, I have noticed that whether I order 1 scoop or 2, I get 2 anyway.
I fixed your left rear blinker, Steven. If you leave it on, we need to be able to see it.
They have mud on it? They have mud on it?
No, it's just pointed at the ground.
Collector of fine antiquities. I missed it.
I started to say something, and then I decided to just wait. I met him with a nice left lean.
Show off the parking prowess of the usual suspects. Got one breaking form. Well, we're drawing a crowd of 2.
They probably can't take their eyes off high maintenance. That's what it is.
It's just them staring at the camera going, what is that? What is that? And it went on for like 5 minutes and people joined them. It's like, what the hell?
Want to watch Klaus pass me.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to say.
He's going to do it before long.
Let's make it difficult. Get wide.
High maintenance, leaving the Ducati in the dust.
Oh, you gotta get something to entertain yourself with.
I did not find this. I'd be like a little kid. You told me there was ice cream.
Yeah. This would be a great picture spot right here.
Yeah, it would.
For you know what I'm talking about.
Okay, because he just took a. Did he just take a picture right here?
Yeah, but I meant his hat, like on that fence post.
Right there where the sign's at?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. It takes longer to get that out and put it back up than you think.
Yeah. That's why I just told them I was going to wait, because I felt bad.
I'm glad Clint stayed behind with me. It's like a little suspicious.
He pegs you through the window with the helmet.
A lot more washboard on this tire track.
Yes, sir. I kept my feet dry this morning. Hope to do it again.
Klaus was making a big splash this morning. I think he was just having fun in it.
Okay, now I'm wet.
You took the thought from my mind. I was thinking, I'm still on David. And I was contemplating doing it, and I was like, but my feet's going to get wet if I do it.
I heard you thinking about it. That's why I turned and looked before I moved over. It's like...
He heard me thinking about it. Well, he was right. He did.
It's only going to be funny if nothing happens.
Man, y'all are fun to ride with, I tell you that. You had it at 1.5 miles, but according to Klaus, after the gas stop after lunch, I had it on for 2.1. But I'm almost in contested, because Randy pointed out, if we factor in the wheel spin on the Ducati, because it might have only been a half a mile, and he just recorded it at a mile and a half. This one's mine today. It's good to see high maintenance out again. I didn't realize how long it had been since I'd seen it out until I saw it.
No kidding, high maintenance running hard today.
Yeah. Is there an award for hitting the face with a piece of roadkill?
No, but that's funny. And it happened.
It's 2 weekends. Is this now 2 weekends in a row we got the usual suspects together?
More than that. Last weekend wasn't the Dirt Devil, it was the weekend before, right?
Yeah.
And we street rode last weekend. That's 3 weekends in a row.
Wow.
Is that Tracy's hat?
Win.
Win. If you know you have it.